Welcome back to the channel, where we make tech simple and easy to understand. Today we're looking at something small, but extremely powerful, the ROG NUC 2025. This is ASUS's newest compact gaming PC. It's built to deliver desktop-level performance. In a tiny box? If you've ever wanted a gaming powerhouse that can sit on a small desk or even fit in a backpack, this one's worth your attention. The ROG NUC 2025 is not like the big gaming towers you see everywhere. This one is about the size of a shoebox, but has the power to run the latest AAA games, handle heavy creative work, and still stay cool. It's made for gamers, streamers, and even professionals who want performance without taking up too much space. Let's talk about the design first. The case has that signature ROG look, sharp lines, RGB lighting on the logo, and a sleek black finish. It's solidly built with a metal chassis, so it feels premium and durable. The cooling vents are smartly placed on the sides and back, giving the fans plenty of room to push out heat. There's even an RGB light strip along one edge that you can customize using AuraSync. Despite its size, ASUS has made it upgrade-friendly. The top cover pops off easily, giving you access to the RAM and storage. You can go up to 64 gigabytes of DDR5 memory and add multiple M.2 NVMe SSDs. This means you can start with a base configuration and upgrade later if you need more speed or storage. Now, performance is where the ROG NUC 2025 really shines. You can configure it with Intel's latest 14th Gen Core i9 X series processors and NVIDIA's RTX 4080 or 4090 laptop GPUs. Yes, these are laptop-class GPUs, but they are extremely powerful and efficient. With this setup, you can play modern games at high or ultra settings at 1440p and even 4000i. Tested Cyberpunk 2077 with DLSS 3 and ray tracing set to ultra. It ran at around 85 frames per second at 1440p. In Apex Legends, you're looking at over 200 FPS, perfect for higher refresh monitors. Even in demanding titles like Starfield, it stayed above 70 FPS at high settings in 1440p. For creative work, NUC 2025 is equally impressive. In Adobe Premiere Pro, 4K video editing feels smooth and renders are quick thanks to the GPU acceleration. Blender 3D renders also benefit from the RTX cores, completing complex scenes in minutes. Cooling is always a challenge in small form factor PCs, but ASUS has included a dual-chamber cooling system. The CPU and GPU are cooled separately, each with its own vapor chamber and high-speed fans. In stress tests, the CPU temperature stayed around 80 degrees Celsius and the GPU hovered at 75 degrees Celsius, which is very good for a compact system under full load. Noise levels are also well managed. During normal use, the fans are barely audible. Under heavy gaming loads you can hear them, but it's a smooth airflow sound. It's not a high-pitched whine. The NUC 2025 also supports ROG intelligent cooling software, so you can choose between performance, balanced, and silent modes. In silent mode, you can still game comfortably with slightly lower frame rates and much quieter fans. Connectivity is another strong point. On the back, you get multiple USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, and 2.5 gigabits Ethernet. It also supports Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.34 fast wireless connections. With all these ports, you can run multiple monitors, connect external storage, and still have room for VR headsets and other peripherals for storage speeds. The PCIe Gen 5 M.2 slot is blazing fast. I tested a Gen 5 SSD and got read speeds of over 12,000 megabytes. Loading big games like Horizon Forbidden West takes seconds. If you're wondering about portability, yes, this thing is light enough to take with you. It's not battery-powered like a laptop, but because of its size and weight, you can carry it to LAN parties or use it as a powerful workstation in multiple locations. The ROG NUC 2025 also works great as a living room gaming machine. Pair it with a wireless controller, hook it to a 4K TV. you've got a console killer that runs. PC games with better graphics and frame rates, power efficiency is better than a full desktop. Even under load, it uses less power than a tower with similar specs, thanks to the laptop-class GPU and efficient cooling design. This means less heat in your room and slightly lower electricity bills. Price-wise, it's not cheap. Depending on the configuration, you're looking at a premium cost, especially for the RTX 4090 version. But considering the size, performance, and flexibility, it's worth it if you want a compact PC that can replace a full tower. The pros are easy to see: powerful hardware in a small size, excellent cooling, easy upgrades, lots of ports, and premium build quality. The cons are the high price, and the fact that while it's portable, it still needs a power outlet, so it's not a laptop replacement for everyone. After testing it for both gaming and work, I can say the ROG NUC 2025 is one of the most powerful small form factor PCs you can buy right now. It gives you high-end desktop performance without the bulky case. For gamers, creators, or anyone who wants serious power in a small package, this is a fantastic choice. That's our deep dive into the ROG NUC 2025. If you liked this review, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our next breakdown of cutting-edge tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.